Hi, this is Turbo Tim from ZZPerformance. I'm doing some testing today on fuel pump lobes. Our standard ZZP LF3, LF4 fuel pump lobe is plus 27% over stock. And the one that I have in it today is plus 50% over stock. Before, I had to run methanol with my fuel pump lobe and tank E85. Now I am running about 60% ethanol, no methanol kit, going for the record. All right, that's some big news. The ATS-V has broken a new record for wheel horsepower, made 622 wheel horsepower. The coolest thing about this is that my METH kit is gone. It's off the car. It is completely disabled. I ran it was 87% ethanol overall, so pump E85 from our local speedway, which seems to be pretty good, E85. And we did it on our new fuel pump lobe. Our standard LF3, LF4 cam is a 27% over stock pump lobe. And this has our experimental 50% over stock pump lobe. So I'm pretty excited. We should be releasing it soon. I mean, obviously I have to do a bunch of testing on it. I can't just release it to the public. You know, that's what we do here, so we don't have failures. But yeah, that's our big news for the day.